Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I apply these Gel X nail extensions and also this cute Valentine's Day inspired nail look. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start by cleaning up my cuticles, and I'm using the Sally Hansen cuticle softener here, and I'm just gonna be pushing back my cuticles and removing any dead skin that may be on my nail bed. Doing this is really important to having long-lasting extensions, so just take your time really pushing back those cuticles and cleaning up any dead skin that might be on the surface of your nail plate. Now I'm taking this cuticle cleaner. It's by Tweezerman. You can also use a cuticle nipper, but this is what I use and it works just as well. My extensions still last me more than 4 weeks, but I'm gonna be cleaning up all the cuticles or all the dead skin that's just sitting there. And just make sure you don't cut yourself when you're doing this, so just go slow. I do have it on fast forward, so that's why it looks like I'm going really quick. And I'm doing that on all of my fingers. And then since I like to be extra cautious with removing any dead skin, I'm taking my e-file here and I'm using a flame bit and I'm going around the dead skin areas as well and cleaning up any excess that I may have not gotten off from the cuticle cleaner or trimmer, whatever you want to call it. So I like to take my time really prepping my nails before I apply my Gel X extensions. 240 grit sanding band. This is really gentle for the nail bed, and I'm gonna just be buffing out the nail surface and just making it a little bit more rough so that the surface is not shiny and it can have a better adherence to the nails. For the extensions, I'm using the Sculpted Medium Almond by Apres. You can use whatever style you like. Now I'm applying a nail dehydrator to dehydrate my nails, get rid of any excess oils, and then I'm going in with the Model 1's nail primer. I love these two products here, and I'm applying that on all of my fingernails. And then once I do that, I'm going to be taking my nail glue. The one that I'm using is by Beetles, and I'm going to apply that on all of my nails, making sure not to get it onto my skin. And then I'm going to cure my hand for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be priming the surfaces, the inside surfaces of the nails. You can use a nail primer for this step, or you can use an e-file, but it is recommended that you do one of them at least. Now I'm applying the nail glue onto the nail, and then as you can see, I do a little blob at the end. The more you do it, the more easier it gets. And then I'm applying it at a 45-degree angle, carefully and slowly, and you're going to see the glue travel up to the tip of the nail. Once it travels up, you can go ahead and flash cure it for about 10 seconds or so, and that's what it looks like. If you are messing it up sometimes and the glue spills out on the edges, you can just, before you flash cure, take it off and redo it, and it'll work just as fine. It does take practice. Sometimes even I put on just a little bit too much, so you just have to retake it, do it again. And now they look like this, so I'm going to go ahead and fully cure the entire hand for 60 seconds. Make sure you do this step, it's super important. Now, before you apply your colors, we want to make sure that we have long-lasting nails here, long-lasting nail designs. So make sure you buff out the surfaces of your nails. You can use a buffer or an e-file here for this step. Now we're going to be sealing the cuticle. This is a very important step as well. It's going to make the fake nail look a lot more natural and blend it into the real nail. So I'm taking that sanding band again, and I'm just going to be lightly buffing out those areas there. And then finally, my favorite part, I'm going to be taking some acetone and a flat brush, and this is also known as sealing the cuticle. So you're going to apply it in that area, making sure that you blend the fake nail with the natural nail, and this is going to help with longer lasting nails. So I'm going to start by painting my nails with the Beetles Jelly Pink polish. I'm going to do 2 coats of that, and in between each coat I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. It's just this very pretty baby pink color that I think is so cute for Valentine's. And then once I'm done with that, I'm taking the Beetles Heart Topper polish here. This already has hearts embedded in it. It's so cute. And then once I apply it, I just take like a little tool and I start playing around with the hearts to get them to be placed where I want, and it looks nice and aesthetic. So basically that's it. It's like such an easy look. It's so cute and simple, and I just think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. And then I went ahead and sealed it with a top coat, and that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye for now.